Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm back with another book, and I've got some exciting news. It's excellent to be back so soon again. I created a fun folio. I already have a tutorial available on my website on how to create this entire book design. This time I did use the Paper Studio. Again, I couldn't help myself. Spring Floral. 0 cut aparts, but I fussy cut out my own little tags and what have you. I did also use some of the images from the paper itself and kind of cut around. As you can see here, I popped some elements off the page that are actually from that particular design paper. I had so much fun making this, and I think you will really enjoy this one as well. It's got a lot of interactive elements. I did pop these little features up, and we have like a little tiny 3x3 photo that can fit in there. How cute is that? We have the iridescent paper again, and the acetate. I can't help it. Okay, here's the side. I think this one holds about 65 plus photos, and oh my god, I had so much fun. But before we jump into this book together, I just wanted to let you know I'm now offering one-on-one virtual meetings in addition to my pre-recorded online classes. It would just be so fantastic to get to know you at a deeper level. I know I get comments and I receive emails, but how wonderful would it be to hear your voice, to see your face, to see your personality? I think it would be excellent to connect with you on this level, and I'm just super excited to try it. It is my first time, but I will be leaving the link down below if that's something you wanted to set up. I'm super excited. Also, I will actually be playing a tutorial trailer after this walkthrough. That way you can kind of see how my teaching style works if you're new here, if you have just stumbled upon this video. So thank you so much for listening to me for this short minute. I really, really love and appreciate you all. And I'm so looking forward to getting to know you. I'm ecstatic. I've got some easy satin pastel green ribbon right here. It's the ribbed style ribbon. And I think I just got that from the Dollar Tree, honestly. And this did include beautiful botanical watercolor, and I had to use it again. We've got this super cool 5x7 frame, and then this is an actual pocket with an insert in it. You can play around with that. You can do some journaling anywhere you want, add your photos. Excellent, that just slides right back in here. And then we have like this really fun angle style pocket right here. I just kind of put a really quick little insert in there. You can put anything you want in this pocket. You can put tags, you can put ephemera, stickers, whatever it is that you want. Again, we have another insert right here, places for photos, and another little frame. I love fussy cutting around this. I had a blast doing that. Got some iridescent paper for my little tabs. I use my tab punch, Stampin' Up. This is such a good punch. I can't express the love that I have for that punch. Okay, so of course your pictures would slide inside here, and you can tuck a photo right inside there. Same with this one on this side. Okay, so it comes out on the top. Now right here on the left panel, since this is a folio, we're working off the panel instead of the spine, okay, like a regular mini. So this opens up and you have some more photo space here. You'll notice I did not cut out or make any of my own sentiments, but of course you can add any kind of embellishments in here as you'd like. Okay, the Spring Floral paper by Paper Studio is seriously gorgeous. A couple little photo spots there, and we do have a magnet that holds this flap closed. A couple inserts in here, again. You can stuff as many photos as you want in these pockets. Some journaling space right there. Love that polka dot paper, my goodness. And then this flips down right here. A couple more photo spots. And then this actually has a little insert that comes out, and you can attach a photo on the front and back of this one if you'd like. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So of course you can use any paper that you want, baby paper, wedding paper, you name it. This is a little magnetic flat closure right here. And then we have this really nice big pocket with a little acetate feature. I did fussy cut and I went absolutely nuts on this design here. Okay, and that was really, really fun. A little booklet. And a cute little tag. We have a lot of storage right in this pocket, so it's really nice. And right here I kind of did this frame mat on the back cover, and I got a couple little photo spots and another journaling area right there. So that was the left panel, and now right here we can just open that up, fantastic little magnet closure again, and access right here for more photo space. And again, I mean, look at this paper. Okay, this paper really, really helps out. Beautiful design with this book too. And these flap this way. We got some more photo space over here, of course. Little angle pockets, these are fun. And I saved this little guy. Again, he's the same one as the one on the front cover, so he's cute. He just tucks right in there. I did some chalk marker lines as well, and this flips out. Okay, really big. Here we have a little waterfall. Super cute. And again, right here, I did some more fussy cutting, and then, you guessed it, some more photo space in there. Oh my goodness, I'll be playing the tutorial trailer right after this walkthrough. If you guys want to ever just chit chat with me, I would love to meet you, and I can't express that enough. Or even see you over at the tutorial for this book. And I'll catch you in my next video, everyone. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the Fun Folio tutorial. I have my wonderful Tim Holtz scissors here. I ended up buying a new Martha Stewart bone folder. This is beautiful from Michaels Paper Studio. All you're going to need is maybe 15 to 20 sheets of this. Look at that beautiful matte paper. I love it. Oh my gosh, Kate. That's probably my favorite one so far. We have these little cut apart pages. So we've got the base construction of our book already on its way. Check that out. Be easy on yourself, okay? Because this is a handmade book. So that's the most beautiful part. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten this out. And again, I'm going to use that part of the bone folder and I'm just going to crease this in. Let's cut out our B pocket. One piece, 4 by 4 3/4. This is going to be lined up with the 3.5 inch side along the top at 1/2 inch. I like to get the biggest part of the paper first and fold it onto itself, because when these come together, it'll close and they'll be on 3 sides right here, and it'll be perfect. So that's 3 3/4 by 5 1/8. I'm going to keep that in place and guide it all the way. We don't want to overlap this. We want to stay directly underneath it. And then we have an H, 4 by 5. 1/8 below the score mark right there. Everything else is lining up nicely, wonderful. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So we're going to line that corner up right in that gusset, and then line that up right there. Okay, and that looks awesome.